good morning. Let's get started. Here we are in GDX and GDXY. So we had several trades. Let me show you what we got. They bought no synthetics. This was all buying things back. So give me a second to organize this. All right, here we go. Here's the sheet. So they bought to close for 2 cents, 3 cents, and 4 cents, all of the weeklies from 8-9 expiration. So we've been winning. And then they wrote a 36 and a 36.5, which is just abysmal. I think we'll run by, we'll be over 36 today alone, let alone 36.5. I mean, I could be wrong, but I think gold runs higher next week. And I think these miners run higher. And then I think after next week, we could sell off again into September. Not just them, I think the overall market. And if that's the case, they could take the miners down. But I have a feeling gold's going to run to new highs. So we shall see. I mean, I'm doing the video, but it frustrates me. I get that they get more cash, right? They got 50 cents at 36, and then when they go to 36.5, they got 34. I'd have wrote them all for at least 37, because I think we could today. We're already in the pre-market at 35.93. I mean, it's 35.55. This is war, skirmishes. I just think these guys do not know how to write. Again, that goes back to we're supposed to produce income. Okay, we're going to go produce income. Is there any thought as to, is this likely to run? What happens when we get run by? We don't make any money, we lose a lot of money. So it just seems to me that they don't care. They're just, that goes back to executing the script. So like I said, I'm going to leave my shares in here, but as far as anything else goes, I'm not going to put any more money in it. I'll just make my own plays. It's easy to do. Okay, guys, if you're in it and you own it, hang in there. You won't have big NAV reduction, but sadly, you may not make a lot of money either. So here's all of these trades, right? All the buying back. Whoops, I had these all in here. What happened? Whoops. Oh, I know what I did. I put them in July and then I moved them, and then I thought I was in August. That's what happened. Okay. So that was just a minor little piece there. Okay, guys. So we look good to start the month, but when they're writing, how can you look out a whole week and see that you're not going to go more than 45 cents? It just, they wrote a 36 here, wrote a 36. We're at 35.55. Hello. I just, for the life of me, don't understand. And then you did the big one at 36.50. Well, that's nothing. I mean, that's not even, you know, it's 2.67. They can be up that in a day. And probably today they might well be. All right, guys, so let me get off my soapbox on that. So what does the weekly look like? They did not buy any synthetics. There were no buy-in for more shares. Um, so let's go look at the weekly. So here it is, 1.27 with Friday to go and all of next week. 2.67 with 6 trading days. It just absolutely makes no sense at all to me. But I guess they're trying to produce income. That's a way to, in my opinion, that's a way to lose income. All right. Because ultimately your synthetic has to go up or you're never going to make income. And that will go up in these miners. All right. So let's move to holdings. because that tells us everything. So by moving up, we brought our long-term synthetic out to 920 down to 919 from 1.5 million. Again, what is that showing? It's showing strength. And you're writing as there's no strength at all. So what's our fair value? 1766, and fair value says 1766. So that happens occasionally. That's nice. So these are going against us. Why? Because gold's moving up. I mean, there's crisis out there. Central banks around the world are buying it. It's set all-time highs this year already, and it's set to go on to new all-time highs here in August. I don't know. So let's take a look at, oh, there's the trading bell for the market. I'm afraid to look. Let's see what we're doing over here. Yeah, 35.80 on GDX. So it was 35.93. It's pulled back a little, but I mean, you can't tell anything. It's amateur hour, that first 30 minutes. All the retail orders are stacked up and people are selling against it or buying against it in liquidity pools. Oh, what else? Bitcoin is up a little. I'm looking at my monitor with my swab stuff here. I've got Tesla's down a little, Coney's up a little, MSTR is down a little, so that means Misty's down. GDX is hanging around 35.80, up 20 cents, 22 cents. Um, Gold is up $8.60. Silver is down 3 cents. Oil is up. Natural gas is up. Okay, guys, so let's go over here to our payout and take a look at that, and I'll wrap this up for you guys. So on the payout, we have a decent start, right? We had a little bit on our synthetic, but remember, we want to get up to a 37. We're at a 36 and almost 36. Um, so 282 is what we have. So we have 20 cents total, and 19 cents of it is in the short call income. So, in my opinion, a good start. But we've got 62 cents worth of loss, right? But we could fix that by running up to 37, but not if they're going to write these at 36 and we run right by it with 6 trading days to go. That would not be a pretty sight. Um, and it may not happen today, but I'm very confident next week in gold running and the gold stock. So we shall see. All right, guys, I'm going to get to watching the market. That's what I got for you on GDX. Sorry, I wish it was better news with how these guys are writing calls, but they just keep making the same mistakes. That's why this fund could easily be over $20 already with better payouts if they'd have just written calls out further and let the synthetic win and not get capped. I don't care if you don't collect much income. The synthetic's going to get the income. All right, guys, so that's what I got. Again, this is Bruce with Targeted Wealth Creation, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Have a great Friday, whatever your day brings you, and an excellent weekend as well. Okay, bye for now.